everyone, greetings from Spain. This is Álvaro Valera. I'm a Paralympic athlete with CMT in table tennis, and I am Paralympic Champion, I am World Champion. I am a happy user of the Helios braces designed by my friend Mitch, which I am super happy with these braces. I'm using them since 2014. It's already been 4 years with them, and the Helios have improved my life in many ways. They have given me more balance, more stability, and now I feel more confident in my walking, in my standing, and especially in my sport, which is nowadays my career and my profession. So it's really contributed to my life in so many ways, and I would definitely recommend everyone with CMT to try Helios, because it makes a big difference. So I'm very happy to send you greetings from Spain, here from my office, training a little bit my physicality, and later in the evening I will have my table tennis training sessions. Now I'm getting ready for the World Championships, which will be in October, where the goal is to bring the gold medal back to Spain, and to continue working to get in the best shape possible to the Paralympic Games in Tokyo 2020. Greetings to everyone. See you.